First, this is Protected. Today I will talk about multi-site aware big data management for scientific workflow on clouds. Abstract exacting system disadvantages, purpose system advantages, system module, software requirement, hardware requirement, system design. The global development could be data centers enable to large scale of scientific workflows, improving performance, delivery, fast responses, unprotected geographical disturbance, computation double, and increasing the scales data handling by such application bring new challenges. This turn workflow engineering need to improve substitutes of achievement performance at the cost of the complex system configuration, maintenance, overhead, reduce reliability, reusability. In this paper, interaction overflow and uniform data management system, scientific workflows running across the geographical distributing sites, and repay economic benefits of the geographical disorders. The result shows our system able to model accurate the cloud performance and leverage of this efficiency data dissemination, able to reduce the monetary cost and transfer time by up to 3 times. Index terms, big data, scientific workflows, cloud computing, geographical distribution, data management. The extension system is Andes to open handle data distribution across the several data centers to relay this existing cloud storage services approach allows transfer data between Arabita via cloud storage. The Amazon's cloud's front of instant of using networking edge locations around the world to catch copy static content close users. Exacting. The global and different forms of is approaching is a meaningful manage delivering large popular object to many end users. This one uses all those techniques of the cannot be protected clouds since they strongly rely under networking topology unknowing users levels. Disadvantage. This exacting work content is reduce the monitoring cost of transfer time. Proposed system. The system is we have proposed overflow fully automated single multiple sites for system scientific workflow data management. Our proposed work can be used support large scale workflow through accepting of the flexible services, estimate optimize costing, providing the insight environment performance and enable to smart data conference, duplicate and geographication. Advantage. Our proposed work can reduce the monitoring cost and transferring time by the 3 times. Module and descriptions. Cloud formation, upload files and request multiple path selection, smart data comparison relations. Cloud formation. This module we are cloud where is the generating cloud servicing provider monitoring details, VM details, metadata, registry transfer time. In another VM want to access these files to send files and require source save multiple sessions. To reduce cost and transferring time, it must choose the short path between source and VM destination. Smart data comparison relation. That to tackle this problem, we must compare this big data to small data. So we apply smart data comparison techniques. Architecture. The several layers are going this. I will explain. Transfer costing estimate and transfer time estimate and comparison transfer and geographical reflection performance modeling after the management layer. This management layer meet data registry replaces entity transfer. The monitoring service bandwidth through output and VM computer performance. The communication layers, the inner site adapting protocol, switching and transferring file transfer protocol in memory torrents, multi-routers transfer across intermediate nodes. Software requirement of big data is the hardware requirement of processors is any processor above 500 MHz, RAM is minimum 2 GB, hard disk 10 GB, compact disk is 650 MB, input devices standard keyboard and mouse, hardware operating system Windows 7 or Windows 8, NetBeans and 08, 07.3, 6 point software setups, JDK 8, JDK 7, JDK 6, Technical Java Standard Editions, System Design, Unified Model Language (UML). Unified Model Language is general purpose visual modeling language, visualization for construct and documents and artificial of the software systems. Use case of diagram. This contact with CPU, connect with sites, upload files, own storage, send files, require source via multiple solutions. Sequence diagram. Calibration of the diagram. Object CSP site VM. Component diagram CSP contact size reflection VM. State chart diagram. Upload files, multiple selections, reflections. Active diagram. Development diagram. Data flow diagram. Level 10 site content with CSP VMS connect with site upload files with more storage send files requirement source. Output screens.